Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 88 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Now, the industry is given protection only for 1 year, that is, to the end of this year. The Tariff Commission has got to make an inquiry once again. The industry does not know exactly what its real position in the country is. This is a very peculiar kind of industry. It has got to face competition from huge producers in the world market. It is in a position to stabilize itself if given sufficient protection and opportunity. If the industry does not know exactly what its future is going to be, it cannot make any plans either in regard to production or marketing or in regard to the possibilities of stimulating the demand for the product. So, I suggest that when protection is given to any industry for the first time, it must be at least for a period of 3 years so that it may know exactly whether it can stimulate demand and whether it can produce sufficient quantity to meet the local demand. Otherwise, the industry will not be able to stabilize itself. Sir, there is another point of view also. It is seen from the note supplied to us that in the case of several industries, protection has been given altogether for a period of, say, 4 or 5 or 6 years, not at one stretch but in installments. The effect of giving protection to an industry in installments, say for a year, is not the same as the cumulative effect of protection given to an industry for a continuous period of 3 years. If it is given for, say, 3 years at a stretch, it will be able to make its program for the future regarding production, etc. So, I seriously suggest that, though, as a matter of fact, in the case of several industries, protection has been given for a long period. In installments, the protection ought to be given in the first instance at least for a period of 3 years. Otherwise, as in the case of this titanium dioxide industry, it will not be able, I am sure, to meet competition from outside, and it will not be able to stand on its own feet if it is given protection only for 1 year. So, I suggest very seriously that protection given to any industry ought to be, in the first instance, at least for a period of 3 years. Coming to this note circulated, I find that in the case of calcium chloride industry, it is proposed to continue the protection to this industry as suggested by the Tariff Commission.